What are you going to do after school?
I'm going to go to music club. What about you?
I'm going to do my homework, then watch videos.
Look and listen.
I'm going to go to music club. She's going to watch videos.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Look at the girl. What's she going to do? That's right. She's going to play football. Look at the boy. What's he going to do? That's right. He's going to ride a bike. What are you going to do after school? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones.
Who's Brutus Grab?
He was a student of mine. He was very clever, but he was very bad.
I studied dinosaurs' teeth, but I'm not an archaeologist, and I'm not a dentist.
No, you're a pirate. You only love money.
Yes, and I'm going to be very rich. If you want the baloney stone, meet me at the Old City Library at 10:45 tomorrow.
He's going to use my program.
Oh, no, he isn't. We're going to stop him. Come on, Dad. It's 11:15. We've got a job to do.
I'm going to get you, Brutus Grab. Oh, he isn't here.
Yoo-hoo, Dr. Bones! I've got a letter for you.
Oh. This is the wrong library, Dr. Bones. I said the Old City Library. You must think a bit more. Brutus Grab. Ah!